Imagine a world where clean energy is easily accessible, and the fight against climate change is winning. Hydrogen, the lightest element on Earth, has been identified as a game changer in this battle. But there's a catch. How do we store it efficiently? Storing hydrogen, especially in its gaseous form, is a monumental challenge due to its low density. It requires high-pressure storage, up to 700 bar, to achieve practical use. But what if we told you there's a breakthrough technology on the horizon? Type V composite pressure vessels, made without internal liners, promise a 10 to 20% of weight reduction and increased storage efficiency. Enter Addcomposites and their revolutionary automated fiber placement technology. This cutting-edge manufacturing process is set to transform the way we make high-pressure hydrogen storage tanks. With precision and efficiency, AFP technology enables the production of Type V tanks, overcoming traditional manufacturing limitations and paving the way for a new era of lightweight, high-density hydrogen storage. The future of clean energy is here, and it's time to embrace it. Discover how Addcomposites is leading the charge in innovative hydrogen storage solutions. Visit addcomposites.com to learn more and join us in powering a sustainable future.